In this video, we are going to add 42 plus 3 using base value blocks. So how does that look? These are the base value blocks, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to count the number of tens, the number of 10 blocks in this entire problem. So we could see that for 42, we have 4 base 10 blocks that make up 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 is just the ones that make up the 2 for 42. In the number 3, there are no tens blocks. There's only 3. 3 has 3 ones. So we add up now the total number of ones in this problem. And there's 5 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. And we have 4 tens. So that makes 40. 4 tens and 5 ones is the same as 45. So there's 4 tens, 2 ones, and then 3 ones here. So the total is 40 plus 5 equals 45. So we know that 42 plus 3 equals 45. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, just have a look at this video again until you understand it.